Told to eh.
All right. Our second monthly finalist for tonight, everybody. Naabangan ko rin to kasi nung weekly pa lang, nagpasabog na to eh. Alam mo yun, all the
Yes,
preparations
totoo.
and everything, di ba, nakatayo na siya. You know, she's
Mm-mm.
one of those contenders
Sa
that we
first
had
week to eh.
na naka-ready agad. Naka-ready agad siya
Correct.
to, di ba, to battle. So, which
Siya
is
yung nag-set
bihira.
kagad ng standard sa first week.
Which is
Diba?
bihira na sa mga streamers ngayon. Kaya,
Correct.
one main goal ng Shannon is to bring back quality streaming, guys. So this is one of the
Yes.
reasons why our manager decided to do this competition.
Open mic.
So, ayan, para sa inyong lahat. So, it's not, wait na, no? Huwag na natin
Oo.
patagalin.
Kasi talaga nag-iingay na yung kanyang mga fans.
Oo,
Love,
I
tignan
believe
mo.
from Sugar Rolls, right?
Yes, that's
Sugar
correct.
Rolls Agency. Give it up for Katie Lee.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Katie Lee of Sugar Rolls Agency, and I was singing Orange Colored Sky. I was walking along, minding my business, and out of orange colored sky, flash, veil, Alakazam, wonderful you came by. I was humming a tune, drinking in sunshine, when out of the orange colored view, flash, veil, Alakazam, I gotta look at you. One look and dial timber. Watch out for falling glass. There's a ceiling filling and a bottle fell out of when it was spinning aside of the shot of an hit. This is it. This is it. I was walking along, minding my business. Look at me, hit me in the eye. Flesh and veil, Alakazam out of an orange colored sky. Woo! One look and dial timber. Watch out for falling glass. Cause the ceiling filling and a bottle fell out of when it too was spinning and started to shut up and hit. This is it. This is it. I was walking along, minding my business. Love can hit me in the eye. Flash and veil, Alakazam out of an orange colored purple stripe, pretty green polka-dot sky. Flash, veil, Alakazam, and goodbye. Woo! Thank you so much.
Grabe naman. Parang akala mo may team sila ngayon, no?
Parang sila yung nag-usap-usap.
Pero wala po kaming binigay na team, ha? It's just that nakakatuwa lang parehas silang ano. Oo. Ang galing.
Parang sila na inisip eh.
Oo. And
Nakakatuwa
not,
talaga.
I don't think everybody knows that song, though.
Yes,
It's
totoo.
something from Natalie Cole, Orange Colored Sky.
Bini po kasi ang
Yeah.
inabutan ko, so talagang ginugugol ko pa yung ganyan eh.
Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Galing! Ang galing. Napakahusay. It's not an easy song to sing, though.
Hindi na po.
Yeah, I learned,
Hindi talaga madali yun.
inano ko lang yan rinig ko lang yan kay mother kasi my mom is singing sa lobby lounge ng 5-star hotel before. So, yan yung mga piyesa niya, mga jazz, mga Broadway something. So, Wow,
Pero
nakakatuwa.
naalala mo ba yung ano niya? Naalala mo ba? Siya yung sa first week natin na parang nag-set siya ng standard when it regards dun sa background niya and sa
Yes,
performance
nakatayo
talaga
siya
niya.
agad. Yeah. I actually,
Nakatayo talaga siya.
yes,
you so
that's
much.
good. And I heard from other hosts as well that Katie is always like this. Whenever she joins a competition, she's always talagang nakatayo at naka-ready, which is good. Kudos to you sa ganyan.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Keep it up, sister. I love it. We love it.
Pag ano,
Yeah,
no,
that's good.
pag Natalie Cole talaga, parang a lot of character talaga dun sa vocal niya. Yung maiisip mo eh. And also yung delivering ng story, ng song, na parang
Yes.
mafe-feel mo talaga siya. Good job.
Yes,
So again
that's
guys,
true.
yung comment namin sa amin lang, feeling judge kami for tonight. Thank you so much.
Buti na nga lang hindi tayo judge kasi Diyos ko dahil, kung tayo judge, ang sakit sa katawan. 'Di ba? Ang hirap Ang hirap kung
Oo,
pwede lang
totoo.
ipanalo lahat eh. 'Di ba? But like what we said,
And tignan mo naman kung gaano kaingay ang supporters, oh.
'di ba?
Nakakatuwa.
Like what we said, and I'm always saying this, hindi po kabawasan sa talent ninyo kung hindi kayo mananalo this time. It's just that it's a matter of just scoring minsan. May nakakalamang ng konti, ganyan. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun hindi kayo magaling at all, okay? So never,
Yes.
ever disregard yourself. Never ever think na you did not do your best on the beam. Kasi the reason why